Go ahead and take your shirt off and hand it to me. Phone call. Once we get done with the process and they're finished with you, yes, we'll let you make a phone call. Hold on a second. Those jeans in there. And take your boxers off. Hold your hands up in the air. You see in your mouth. Lift your tongue. Take one finger, go around your gum line, top and bottom, please. Alright, let me see behind your ears. Alright, oh. Alright, lift your penis. Move your testicles. Alright, turn around. See the bottom of your left foot. Wiggle your toes. Alright, your left foot now. Alright, face this wall. Squat down like a baseball catcher and cough hard 3 times. Alright.
North 448.